IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What was your favorite teacher like? Band 5. Answer.
My favorite teacher was very nice and friendly. She always helped me with homework and she made the class interesting. I liked her because she cared about us.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Meaning is clear but ideas are basic, short without development. Lexical resource, everyday vocabulary, limited range. Grammar, mostly simple sentences, few complex forms. Pronunciation, understandable. Typical of Band 5, basic communication with limited detail. Band 7.5 Answer.
My favorite teacher was patient and genuinely passionate about literature. She encouraged us to share our opinions and even challenged us when we disagreed with her. Thanks to her, I learned to enjoy reading rather than just doing it for marks.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Extended. Developed answer with clear progression. Lexical resource, wider variety, e.g. patient, passionate, challenged. Grammar, mix of simple and complex structures, mostly accurate. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of 7.5. Good detail, flexibility, few noticeable errors. Band 9 Answer.
My favorite teacher was remarkably insightful and had a rare ability to explain difficult concepts in a way that felt effortless. She treated us like young adults, which made us more confident in expressing unconventional ideas. In many ways, she shaped not just my academic interests, but also how I communicate.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, fully developed, natural, cohesive. Lexical resource, sophisticated yet precise. Insightful, unconventional, shaped. Grammar, fully flexible and accurate with complex forms. Pronunciation, native-like clarity and control. Typical of Band 9. Nuanced, detailed, and elegant communication. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.